In this tutorial, I will be looking at this question: how can I make money online without anything? This video provides some key ideas and methods for online side hustles to create a second income. So if you want to find out some easy to follow smart tactics to make money online and create passive income without paying anything, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video, as this tells me you like the content, and I will then create more content for you. Thank you. Let's start. Method number 1. Work as a virtual assistant for a business or organization. A virtual assistant is just like a personal assistant or an office assistant, except they work exclusively online. As more and more businesses move online, business owners are realizing that they don't necessarily need full-time employees. In many cases, a virtual assistant can save a business both time and money, and VAs are becoming more and more in demand every day. There are a couple of ways you can earn money online as a VA. Number 1. Work as a freelance virtual assistant. You would find your own clients using a freelance job board, or you can pitch clients directly. You'll set your own rates and manage yourself. Number 2. Work for a virtual assistant company as an hourly paid remote worker. I will now tell you the skills that you may need to become a virtual assistant. The good news is almost anyone can become a VA. The key here is to offer services that take advantage of the skills you already have. If you used to work in an office doing administration, then you can easily offer this service as a VA. Similarly, if you have bookkeeping skills or excellent research skills, you could offer this service virtually to a number of clients by learning how to start a bookkeeping business. There are a few skills that you should definitely have if you want to make extra money as a VA. These are organization skills, timekeeping, a good telephone manner, and good spelling and grammar. In most cases, VAs provide support for business leaders or entrepreneurs. This can mean keeping someone's calendar and daily schedule, responding to emails, collecting information on sales targets before meetings, and even ordering water and snacks for their physical office or networking events. Some virtual assistants end up doing highly technical work. This can mean running multiple programs to find leads and business opportunities, scheduling social media posts, doing search engine optimization (SEO) and email campaigns, tracking marketing metrics, and performing bookkeeping. Virtual assistants can be called on to do a range of tasks for their clients. Sometimes you'll perform a few specific activities part-time for an owner or manager. In other cases, you might play a vital role in primary business functions and feel like a full-time part of the team. Being a virtual assistant allows you to be flexible and experience different environments, then focus on the ones you like the best. Some of the most common specialties in VA roles include general admin work. Administrative tasks include managing a calendar, sorting emails, answering phone calls, and making appointments. Project management. Some VAs run projects for business owners. This means holding meetings, asking for updates from team members, and creating reports on the progress of a project. You may also be responsible for projects staying on time or within budget. The next is bookkeeping. Financial support is vital to every business. Smaller companies and those using VAs often need help processing payments, checking expenses in line with HM revenue and customs regulations, verifying payroll, and creating regular budget statements. This can be a suitable place to start if you're good with numbers and Microsoft Excel spreadsheets or similar apps. Billing and invoicing. Companies often need help invoicing their clients. In these roles, a VA creates the invoices using the company's software platform, verifies each invoice, sends them out, and helps process payments and record them when payments are completed. Content research. You'll learn about the company, its products, and its customers. Then your job is to generate ideas and research assigned topics to provide relevant information. Blogging and writing. Sometimes you'll write the content you research as blog posts, as you might also write web pages and other content. Customer research. Growing businesses often need to understand who their customers are. In this case, you might have tasks related to tracking and analysing the data provided by companies' research tools. Method number 2. Work as a freelance writer. Freelance writing is a good way to make money online because it is a fairly easy way to get started as a freelance writer, and there are also all sorts of free freelance writing apps to help you get started. You will of course need to actually have love for writing and a good grasp of spelling and grammar, but you certainly don't require a degree of any kind to earn money online as a freelance writer. Let me tell you what you need to become a freelance writer. If you want to start freelancing freelancing as a writer, all you need is a laptop with good access to the internet and Google Documents. It's also a great idea to create your own website which you can use as a portfolio, but it's definitely not a deal breaker. I highly recommend choosing a niche if you want to make money freelance writing, because this way you can position yourself as a subject matter expert and you will have a far greater chance of winning clients that need writing relating to your chosen subject. Having a niche will also enable you to become an expert on the topic, which will mean that over time you will need to do less research and you will start to become quicker at producing content, making you more money in less time. You can literally choose any subject to write about: pets, gardening, software, you name it. There will be people who need content about your subject. You will need some samples of your writing to show prospective clients, so my suggestion would be to write a couple of sample articles on the topic you would like to write about, which you can show to prospective clients. You can publish these samples on your own blog, or if you don't have the confidence to create your own blog, you can create a profile and publish them on Medium, which is free. If at any point you're looking for support and training in digital marketing, then I recommend you check out the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. Just click the link in the description box below this video. I will now tell you how to find work as a freelance writer. Once you have a couple of samples of your work, you'll need to find some clients. You can search for clients on freelance blogging boards like ProBlogger, a freelancing platform like Upwork.com, or you can pitch clients directly. Job boards can often have a lot of low paid work, but I still recommend them as they're a great place to start for beginners. It can still add up to a good amount of extra cash, and you can always raise your rates as your confidence grows. If you're pitching clients directly, you can find the people you want to write for and reach out to them on LinkedIn or Twitter and to see if they are hiring writers. Identify your niche. Many aspiring writers have the same question: how do I start as a freelance writer? As you kick off your new freelance career, think about your niche. Some of the most successful freelance writers specialize in a type of writing for a specific subject. Identifying your niche can help you determine what projects to bid on first. If you have a degree or have worked in a specific industry, focusing on projects associated with that industry is a great first step. Also consider what you enjoy writing about and see if there are any open Upwork projects on that topic. Many clients ask for writing samples in their proposals. If you're new to freelancing, you can start your own blog and write about your niche so you have a portfolio to share. To build their reputation, many new freelance writers set their rates lower for the first couple of projects. Try to find some smaller projects in your niche to work on to add to your profile. Once you start completing jobs and receive positive feedback, you earn more credibility to justify raising your rates. Prioritize time management and organization. Besides writing, a freelance writer's most valuable skill is time management. You often work with multiple clients and projects simultaneously as a freelancer and must stay organized. Time management is the key to meeting deadlines. One of the benefits of becoming a freelance writer is that you can work on your terms and choose when you want to write. Freelance writing jobs tend to be outcome focused, and if you're charging by word or project, you don't need to track your hours for clients. You're in control of your schedule, but you still must meet deadlines to earn positive feedback and build longer term relationships with clients. Create a schedule that works for you and stay organized. Some writers prefer to do the bulk of their writing in the morning, while others feel more productive at night. Freelancers must balance their paid hours and projects with admin tasks and time spent looking for new clients and submitting job proposals. Remember to leave room for edits and rewrites when mapping out your schedule. Network with other writers. Networking can help you build a group of like-minded independent professionals, giving you career support while working from home. Other freelance writers aren't necessarily your competition, they're your colleagues. Feel inspired by their success and discover the endless possibilities and career paths available as a freelance writer. Once you have a community, you can refer clients back and forth, help each other get through writer's block, offer feedback and ask for advice, and cheer each other on along the way. Method number 3, write on Medium. Here's another way to make money online as a writer. This one is slightly different though. Medium is a writing platform that provides ad-free content to subscribers subscribers who pay around $5 a month for membership. You don't need to be a paying member to make money from Medium. You can have a profile and write on Medium for free, so this is a great way to start making money online if you don't want to invest anything up front. The best thing about Medium is that you can write about literally any topic that interests you, and there's no need to stick to one subject either. Let me tell you how you can make money on Medium. Writers can make money online by publishing their own articles on Medium. Here's how it works. Number 1, set up a Medium account and sign up to the partner program. Number 2, create a publication and apply to be a writer for any other publications you want to write for. Number 3, write your first article. 1,000 plus words is ideal for Medium articles to ensure they are in depth. Number 4, publish your article. You can publish it in your own publication or submit it to another publication. Number 5, get paid. You'll get paid a percentage of the membership from each paying member who reads your story. This is why it's great to submit your article to a publication. More reads equals more cash. The beauty of making money online writing on Medium is that not only do you have the freedom to choose what you write about, but you can work on your own schedule with no deadlines. Method number 4, start and create a niche blog. Blogging is another good way to make money online without paying anything, because there are so many ways you can make money from your blog. Let me tell you how you can earn money as a blogger. There are several ways to make money online from your blog, including adverts with Google AdSense or Mediavine, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, selling your own services, selling your own digital products, coaching and consulting, and speaking gigs. Here is how you can start a blog. It sounds daunting, but it's actually incredibly easy to start a blog, and there are free platforms you can use like WordPress.com, which will let you get started without paying a penny. However, if you do have a few dollars to spare, I'm talking $2.95 a month here, I would highly recommend hosting your blog yourself. Hosting your own blog makes even more attractive to advertisers and gives you huge potential for growth. There are loads of benefits to starting your blog. Aside from the fact that it can be a moneymaker in itself, having a blog can position you as an authority in your industry, opening more doors for future opportunities and collaborations. Find a profitable niche. The first step to creating a successful blog is figuring out what you want to blog about. There are countless topics out there, but a crucial step is narrowing down what your blog is going to be about and finding a niche. A blog niche is a general idea or topic you would focus your content on, such as travel, fashion, cooking, or technology. Creating a blog with no niche and blogging about any topic that interests you can confuse and alienate your audience. Your goal is to build a loyal fan base that relates to or is interested in your blog niche. Therefore, focus your blog on one general topic. Your niche is more than just your general topic. It includes your target audience, the style in which you are writing, and the approach you are taking to your blog overall. Ideally, your niche should be something you are passionate about. The most rewarding niches are topics that genuinely interest you and drive you to continue writing new content. First, consider if there are enough subtopics within your niche to continually write articles about. For example, if your niche is travel, there are literally tens of thousands of places, products and best practices for potential blog posts. If your niche is too specific, you might get stuck. Brainstorm as many potential blog posts as possible to determine if you can build a substantial blog within your niche. Do some keyword research to see what is trending around your topic. If you can't think of a lot of potential blog posts, consider switching or altering your niche. Additionally, research your audience. You need to ensure that other people besides you are interested in your niche. Blogging doesn't exist in a vacuum. Use free tools for keyword research, such as Google Trends, to see if people are genuinely interested in your topic. If interest is low or declining, consider switching your niche. Method number 5. Create and sell an online course. Online education has seen a huge boom in the last couple of years and is more popular now than ever, with people looking for an affordable and convenient way to learn new skills in their own time. With the rising costs of universities, it's no surprise that people are looking for alternative ways to learn, and for most people, learning online is an easy way to digest a subject. You can create an online course on any subject you have experience in. Let's say, for example, you can paint beautifully in watercolor. You could easily create a course to teach complete beginners how to get started with watercolor paints. If your first course is a success, you can create more in-depth and advanced courses for your students to move on to after they have completed the first course. You can create your course on a course creation platform such as Teachable or Udemy. Teachable has a free plan which allows you to create and sell a course with them without paying a penny. They will simply take a percentage of the course when a course is sold, so there's absolutely nothing to pay up front to earn money online. Udemy has the advantage of also being a marketplace. They take a little more commission than Teachable, but they do all the hard work of promoting your course within their marketplace. So you don't need to spend any time trying to market or sell your course, you can just focus on creating it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which one strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.